How to fix TikTok no internet connection 2022. The first thing what you can do to take off that site, you need to get off from your application, because as you know, if you take off on that selection, you're gonna simply check over first the Wi-Fi selection. You need to make sure that the connection it is on your right session. Also the mobile data, if it's turned on, you need to turn it off to take off and restart that setup. After you get on all of these stuff, you need to go to your settings selections on your phone. Then simply need to scroll down and go for applications, and right here on the search box, without wasting any time, you need to type for Snapchat and just go on that selection from here. And after you go here, you need to scroll down and go for permissions. Right here, guys, you need to make sure that all of these selections are turned on. You can simply turn off all of them and then get that refresh on your phone. Take back that with this turning on buttons on your right session, and also all that stuff could be ready and fixed by getting and simply going to your storage and clearing the cake on the full session.